Well, I've got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Doggy doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from MajorSurplus, also known as MajorSurplus and Survival. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. MajorSurplus and Survival has a large variety of items, so check them out. And let's see how we can get this open. This is actually the bottom of the box. It's just easier this way. And let's see if we can get this stuff out of here. Okay, this thing. I don't see anything. Oh, no. First. So we got a tag there with info. So Robert, I have your bag. Let's see what else we got going on here. So this is a Belgian Army M97 120-liter rucksack. So it is a large model. We'll just quickly go over it. So let's see. Shoulder straps, grab handle, cross chest sternum strap there, back pads. I feel a frame behind here, lower back pad, waist belt with large insertion buckle, like so. And let's see what else we got going on here. I see drainage grommets there, and likewise there. Okay, let's turn it over to this side. Underneath, you can see these straps that go all the way around to here that connect to the bottom of the top flap, and they originate here at this reinforcement point as part of the frame. I think this might be able to be all disassembled because I see an end piece right there. That it looks like we have bottom access. These zippers. Yep. So you can see inner bag, some leaf material, drawstring for the inner bag, some sort of strap. So I'm not sure what that's ending to. This closes up for now. And let's come in from the other direction, the top. While we're at it, let's look quickly at the side pouches. You can see drawstrings on the zippers, whether or not that came that way or the previous user had modified the pack for use. We can see a label here. Let me see if I can get that into view. I know we have a lot of glare here. Let's see if I can get that better angle. The weight of this is fighting me. I don't want to rip the tag right off. So you might be able to see that right there. Let's see if we have something similar on this side. Yep. Okay, so let's see how we can get in. Releasing these two buckles up here. And that inner sack, drawstring, the cord locks, two of them. And that leafy interior again. Looks like an extra set of straps. Very nice. A whole bunch, actually. I'm not sure what they're for. But that's pretty cool. Got some extra parts, I guess. I might be able to figure out how these go together. Yeah, I think they're extra shoulder straps. So Okay, so what is this here? Yeah, they got labels on them too. Alright. And then the top flap. Looks like there's another compartment with the zipper here. Kind of a flat compartment. With a reinforcement panel right there. Strapped in. Some molly. Okay. Very interesting. Okay, so let's get this out of the way. Now we got leafy material everywhere. The other item is a Belgian Gore-Tex camo suit. And you can see here the inner label there as well. Get this tape out of the way, and see there's separate items packed in here. This was described as Belgian camo Gore-Tex rain suit, pants with suspenders and jacket new. So this is the vest. Get this yellow tape off of here. Oh yeah, rain suit material. This is the bottom. Here's our hem, drawstring cord locks, snaps down the front. Okay. Here's our zipper, plasticized, metal grabs there. You can also open it from the bottom. And the inner material, you can see there. Pretty lightweight. Epaulet for rank. Plain shoulders. Sleeves have Velcro cuff. Drawstring near the neck area. There's our hood, one piece attached. Let's see any pockets. Looks like we just have two very large zippered pocket areas. Pretty nice. And let's see what's on the other side here. Yeah, similar pocket down there. Nothing up at the top. Okay, so that's the top jacket, and then let's check out the pants. Tape. Okay. Same material. So here's our suspenders. Got a center bracket right there in the back. And they come down to the front here, attached, X-stitched, two snaps here in the middle, zipper, fly, same material on the inside, lightweight. Pant legs are zippered at the bottom. Give you easier access, it looks like. They balloon out a little bit, but they're still closed. And we have hems, no drawstrings. So, let's see. Looks like we have these zippers here to gain entry to inner pants. And I don't see any other pockets besides those zippers slash for access. Okay, here's our back that kind of rises upwards from the waist. So again, these were the Belgian Gore-Tex camo suit with the two pieces there of the pantalon and the vest. And then we also started off with the rucksack, also in Belgian camo, 120 liters. So these all came from MajorSurplus and Survival. Feel free to check them out. Their flyer. I believe this is their September 2022 flyer. So it kind of gives you a time frame of this. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage MajorSurp tools and more specific topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curious for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.